Hello, my name is Melanie Zamora, and the topic I chose for this project was on groundwater pollution and remediation. This is my overview. I will elaborate on the definition of groundwater and its uses. I will briefly discuss the issue of groundwater containing pollution. I will explain why we can have such an impact on the issue. I will provide examples of problems that can branch off of that single issue as well, and I will mention the possible solutions to the issue. What is groundwater? Groundwater is stored within spaces between rocks beneath the ground. It is usually found closer to the surface, as those rocks are not as pressurized as those found at greater depths. The rocks that are found just below the surface are not as pressurized, so they haven't been compacted yet, which allows that water to seep into the spaces. The uses of groundwater. Groundwater is considered a freshwater resource, which companies use to sell people their drinking water. People in undeveloped countries also rely on that water to nourish and keep their bodies healthy. That kind of water is also used for agriculture. They are used in irrigational systems to efficiently water each crop. How is it being polluted? Groundwater is being polluted by toxic chemicals. Those chemicals come from industrial plants or any man-made creations. They pollute the air, water, and human body through processes like precipitation and rock weathering. How did the pollution start? Humans have created the general issue of pollution. Through industrialization and urbanization, the atmosphere has become filled with harmful chemicals to which humans and animals breathe. Not only is it in the air, it has made its way to contaminate bodies of water and the foods that we eat. Who is suffering the consequences? People in low-income areas or undeveloped countries are the most affected. Low-income areas are likely to be endangered due to the close distance between them and an industrial plant or an innovation. Underdeveloped countries are more commonly exposed as foods and the water that they consume are contaminated. However, that is likely to happen to anyone, as the export and import of items is very common. Apart from humans, the ecosystems and its organisms are also heavily affected, and that is a problem all over the world. Solutions. Groundwater contamination cannot easily be eliminated through normal water treatment processes, which has made scientists try to come up with a better solution. Those solutions are being tested through new technological innovations, ion exchange, and membrane separation, advancing past procedures. My conclusion: humans are the cause of contamination issues and now suffering the consequences. Humans have constantly destroyed the planet and its ecosystems after the modernization and industrial age came about. Now it has become a challenge for scientists to come up with a solution to eliminate chemical contamination in one of the most precious and important resources that we have on this planet. These are my references. Thank you so much for listening at me talk about my topic, and I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, thank you.